What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing and productive day so far. So this is actually a crazy time right now because I have one of my one-on-one students that is maintaining a 10+ ROAS for the past 4 days, and I really think that I found a $1 million product for him. So I want to document that process for you guys, as well as make sure you go check out the previous video if you didn't already to see a little bit about the ads and the strategy that I'm using to take them to that, amount of success throughout Facebook ads only. Like I think yesterday I showed you, we spent like $100 something and made back $1,200, and today we spent $200 and we're already at about $2,500. So it's ridiculous, it's crazy, but that leads me into the point of why I'm making this video is because today is the day I'm leaving to Miami to go perform the Miami mentorship giveaways. So a couple months ago I launched that giveaway where I said I was going to fly one person to Miami to teach them e-commerce and take them to 1K a day. And what happened is the winner already lived in Miami, so I picked a second winner who now, well, he lives in Chicago, so he's gonna have to fly down. But it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be changing these people's lives, and we will be documenting the entire process. It's gonna be me, and I'm also flying in several of my business partners and friends to come help with the process, as well as my videographer Vince behind the camera. You can go check out his Instagram in the description below. But it's gonna be an awesome process. We'll be documenting everything. Like I said, well, you guys know I post every single day, and I'll be keeping you guys updated on the process, showing you what they're doing, they're in the beginner stage, to taking them to $1,000 or more a day, and how it's really not as hard as you think, and that most people that fail with it are just overthinking it and they aren't trying their best. And that's what it comes down to. You have to invest your time, effort, and capital. Nothing is free in this world, especially when it comes to making money and running your own business. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to stay tuned for this awesome content that is coming, as well as go check out that previous video. It's actually really good, telling you guys a little bit about my current strategy that I've been using that has worked every single time so far and maintained a 5+ return on our ad spend with Facebook ads only. So there'll be a link in the description to go to that previous video to check it out, and I'll keep you guys updated for everything. Also, go check out my Instagram. I'll be documenting the process on there too. I just wanted this to be an intro video to make sure you guys know what's going on and why I'm going to be focusing so much on this entire trip. So you're going to see, the cars, the lifestyle, whatever, but the main focus is going to be on the actual value and getting these people to $1,000 or more a day, and not just revenue. We're aiming for profit. So we're going to make it happen. We're going to have an awesome time. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.